Prompt Engineering Training Session 57. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI image generator that operates through a Discord bot interface as well as a web app. An API version of Midjourney is planned. The process for generating images with Midjourney follows the same fundamental principles as other AI image generators, including the use of prompts to guide the generation process. One of the unique features of Midjourney compared to other AI image generators is its ability to create visually striking and artistically composed images. This is attributed to the model's specialized training, which enables it to produce high-quality images with specific artistic parameters. More about this in Advanced Prompts Parameters. You can experiment with the Midjourney bot in the Learn Prompting Discord or in the official Midjourney Discord server. Basic usage. The basic prompt anatomy with Midjourney is /imagine prompt, image prompt, optional parameters. For example, /imagine prompt, astronaut on a horse. Example with parameters /imagine prompt, astronaut on a horse AR 3:2C70Q 2 seed 1000. In this basic example, the following parameters have been used. AR 3:2 sets the aspect ratio of the image to 3:2. C70 adds a chaos value of 70 to allow Midjourney to interpret the prompt more freely. Chaos value range 0 to 100. Seed 100 sets an arbitrary seed value which can be used to re-render or rework an image later. Learn more about Midjourney parameters in Advanced Prompts Parameters. Advanced Prompts. Advanced prompts in Midjourney make use of parameters and special prompting techniques supported by the Midjourney algorithm. Multi-prompts. Midjourney interprets your prompt holistically by default. Using a double colon, tells Midjourney to interpret each part of a prompt separately. Example. /imagine prompt, astronaut and horse. /imagine prompt, astronaut and horse. Image prompts. By uploading an image to Discord and using its URL in a prompt, you can instruct Midjourney to use that image to influence the content, style and composition of your results. Example. Astronaut, source, Wikipedia. /imagine prompt, image URL, impressionist painting. Parameters, v4. The following parameters are supported by Midjourney's latest model, v4. Aspect ratio. AR, ratio, changes the default ratio, 1:1, to a new ratio. Currently the max supported ratio is 2:1. Example. Astronaut on a horse AR 16:9 and astronaut on a horse AR 1:2. Chaos. C value sets a chaos value that determines how much Midjourney varies the prompt. The higher the chaos value, the more unusual and unexpected the results and compositions. Range 0 to 100. Example. Astronaut on a horse C20 and astronaut on a horse C80. Quality. Q value defines how much time will be spent generating the image, thus increasing the quality. The default setting is 1. Higher values use more of your subscription's GPU minutes, accepts values 0.25, 0.5, 1 and 2. Example. Astronaut on a horse Q.5 and astronaut on a horse Q2. Seed. Seed value sets a seed number which defines the starting point, noise field, for the image generation. The seeds for each image are generated randomly when not specified with the seed parameter. Using the same seed number and prompt will produce similar images. Example. Astronaut on a horse seed 123. Stylize. Stylize, value, or S, value, influences how strongly Midjourney applies its artistic algorithm. Low values produce images that closely match the prompt, high values create very artistic images that are less connected to the prompt. The default is 100, value range is 0 to 1000. Note, you can use the /settings command to change the default stylize value from paintbrush style med equals S100 to paintbrush style low equals S50, paintbrush style high equals S250, or paintbrush style very high equals S750. Example. Astronaut on a horse S50 and astronaut on a horse S900. Version. V, version number, or version number, let you access earlier Midjourney models, 1 to 3. Example. V1, V2, and V3. Parameters, previous models. Same seed. Same seed. While the seed parameter produces a single noise field applied across all images in the initial grid, the same seed parameter applies the same starting noise to all images in the initial grid so it will produce very similar images. Example. Astronaut on a horse same seed v3. Tile. Tile generates images that can be used as repeating tiles to create seamless patterns for fabrics, wallpapers and textures, only works with models 1 to 3. Example, astronaut on a horse tile, v3. Video. Video creates a short movie of the image grid being generated. Reacting with the envelope emoji lets the Midjourney bot send you a DM with the link to the video. Example, astronaut on a horse video v3.